Tukoy, market taras Nangkang withdraw channel Silo ja Central Market tane Helping Tukoy shopping kam lai last pan nagar tane. This is my first time during lockdown, so everyone enjoy. I just take cash right now from the ATM and I need to go right now to Central Market last pan nagar. So let's enjoy the video. Please watch my video and everything. I just protect. I put a gloves, mask. So now I'm riding to Laspan Nagar. Boy, khang tang cái này. Quay overbridge các bạn mà. Quay overbridge hay quay left, right lulu. Central Market khang tang là Laspan Nagar Central Market. During lockdown, there are lots of shops are off. Shops are closed. See here also it's already closed. They are having a security. Here also is already closed or not. I'm not sure here. Haldiram ra le sune. Haldiram ra le ba. But we social distancing now. Quay Central Market khang tam này. Quay Central Market khang lo shopping kam này. Tụi quay hai cái main gate của Wang hai Wang mà mẹ và hai luôn ngắt rồi là shopping am phải đây. Saya cái mall ramai bang premium semai sih. Abelin là keng đó semai keng là keng mà. Wow, sige ni. Phải social distance ha. So risky thì là thì lockdown one gang. This is my first time to go shopping. So tình chú yes. Semai saro. Guys shopping I'll just buy something. I'll just go back during shopping. I'll just show you something. No. Tình thiếu mày đó, tình thiếu mày đó. Hai market luôn à, dress cuma cái merong pong khong bam lah than à. So quay akin na lang dol phiêu này, dol se wilang ke jai ba mai jo. So I'll just go straight, I'll buy and I'll go. Ba, agar mana suai ba. Nam good dressing na ba di ba mo ring da. Ngawi ba kay mo ne. Pasiw ka. Hoy happen fiulan ne. Và thằng sẽ là tàu này nó phải happen phiêu lố happen lulu am này wow một bên nó lại sắp sáp à I need to buy underwear jockey one. Cái nào lên luôn này ha. Tôi đó mà cái zone cái mà. Price 400 price pay. I'll purchase this one. Pay card na. Oh, I see. Hay xe đấy Quang mới đi ra bò đấy Haka Tụi iwan lan nè Auto luôn ở bên nè Hay nè They are put this thing very nice Hai dong se pura social distance kan jaga nih hai में वह है Central Market है Daspan agar गया वह shopping काम लो जा I'm going back again Hi. Koi last pan ako go Central Market shopping kami gawang eh. So I want to tell you some brief experiment that I found right now. Koi tab ka mask kaya and I put a hand glove. This hand glove come a bit while putting for long time is coming hot. So let's see what happened. Let me pull up. My hand coming cold, now coming fresh again. So this is the thing that I put out. I need to throw. So now I need to put a sanitizer. Now bit secure. So if you want to go for shopping, take a sanitizer, put a hand glove, mask. While I just go there, I get an experience that the customer they don't put a social distance, so you need to be careful about this because they are going with your family members, or I'm not sure, but they don't put a social distance. This is the main thing that you need to be aware. So thank you so much. You please subscribe my channel. It's me, Naga Amos. So support my channel and please help my channel as well. And if you are the first subscriber, please subscribe and put so that I can be a famous subscriber for our Naga tribe. So thank you so much. Trứng thén luôn, giang mày.